So, if there's not much of a line, you can step off the trolley, rejoin that line, and they'll try and get you back. You're welcome.
Yes.
Right now we're a full trolley. If you guys would like to ride, right here in this line right here, just go around the road, and it'll end up with the ticket.
Okay.
Well, 13, 14, 15! 15 after blue. These are all friends.
Must document. I know, it's February 8th, that's it, no more. Yeah. Hopefully it'll come back sometime, but I don't know. Yeah,
I heard something about storage.
yeah, the area where they store the stuff, it's going to be demolished for the new Avengers ride.
Yeah.
Party 2! Look, it's your lucky day. Watch your step,
You like the tram? Yeah. Wait, I can see your eyes.
My friends are right past.
Actually, look at me. I can actually look at me. Look. Is this nice? Yeah. Not you like actually.
Thank you, buddy.
No getting up now, okay?
Doors are swell with you friends.
Close the doors.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Now in Spanish.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños.
Nice and hard,
Gracias.
you gotta make sure you're on your bottom, just not on your knees. Thank you so much. If you have trouble seeing, you can be in the lap. 717.
All friends, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Jeremy, I'll be your conductor. Now front we have the talented Josh leading the way, making sure we stay on track, and because we don't have any other choice but to steer our trolley on the track nonetheless. Friends, we welcome you aboard 717, which means we're all about comfort, safety, and speed. Heavy on the seat,
Now you can see.
not so heavy on the cloaking, as you can already tell. I'm sitting on these very brand new comfortable chairs. Not so heavy on the speed either, at a whopping speed of 4 miles per hour. Friends, moving along, we're going down the streets of Buena Vista, which is good view in Spanish. Be sure to check out the other mom and pop shops on the left and right hand side, mainly the right hand side, being that the left hand side is boarded up due to construction.
Look, it's Mickey Mouse.
Friends, on your right hand side we have a celebrity signing. We have Mickey Mouse taking photos and signing autographs. Make sure that while this trolley is in motion, that we do have both feet down at all times, please, while this trolley is in motion. Now friends, moving along, on your right hand side we have Clarabelle's ice cream. Their ice cream is utterly delicious. Now I know what you're wondering, does he really milk that joke every chance he gets? The answer is yes, he does, but we're just going to go ahead and move along. Should I say? Oh, come on, you guys. It's not that easy to do cheesy jokes necessarily, but we do the best we can with what we have. But friends, as we slowly make our way around the Carpe Circle Fountain, which is a hub of California adventure, here you can walk to a marvelous place, Cars Lane, Red Coaster, San Francisco, soaring over the world, but above all else, Starbucks. We're carrying on, coming around the Carpe Circle Fountain. As we leave there, we are headed to dun, 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 Hollywood. Be sure to print out your headshots, practice on your autographs, so that at any given moment you can be discovered here in
And when
Hollywood.
something is under construction, they push the power on it.
So we are sitting back.
Construction workers can go on it and then put it in.
But it's good move.
Copy that.
Sure. I think it's not. I think they're just making
Our friends, be
more.
sure to print out your headshots, practice on your autographs, because at any given moment you can be discovered here in Hollywood. Now just up ahead, we've expedited some good old-fashioned LA traffic just to make it seem more realistic. Almost true to self, but instead of cars, it is people.
See how excited.
Now on your right-hand side, we have Disney Junior, where you can dance with your favorite Disney characters, while also enjoying a nice air-conditioned room. Because you know, at this very same location, they had a live puppet show. Bear the Big Blue House at this very same location, if anybody remembers those days. Subway's ski guys were walking around the trolley, which is why we have the fastest brakes here in California Adventure. My friends, we are now approaching our next stop, which is right in front of Animation Academy. We ask that you please remain seated until this trolley comes to full and complete stop. So just make sure that we do have our feet. So we have one more stop just around the corner. Just a heads up, you guys, if they're in line, they're not able to
717 copies.
Off first. So if you join that line, because you can only guarantee one more. So in the meantime, keep your fingers crossed that there's no one waiting. You'll have to stay on.
We're gonna have to tell some people we're reload around the corner.
Yeah. Just a heads up, you guys. We only drop off here. But if you guys want to get on, literally just walk around the corner. That's going to be our next stop. Guaranteed one-way trips.
We had some runners that were excited.
Doors were swell.
Hey, it's Nightwing. Come on, doors.
No need for it.
Copy that. Closing up. 717 departing Hollywood for sunset.
They're sitting on me.
Alright, friends, we are now headed off into the sunset towards the east. Now, I know that it doesn't really make a lot of sense. But don't forget, we are in Hollywood, where we can use a trick called forced perspective. Something that seems real that actually isn't.
When I was little, I
Here's an indicator to show that it is not real. As you look ahead, think about this question. When is the last time you've seen an LA street with no cars or no traffic? But just a reminder, make sure that we are sitting down facing forward while our feet are off of the seats, please. Parents, we can make sure our children are facing forward with their feet off of the seats, please.
And then I realized it was a
Please remain seated till this trolley comes to a full and complete stop. Guys, when we're moving, and we're going to make sure that he's sitting all the way down.
That means all feet forward. Thank you, guys. All right, last stop, friends.
I have you guys line up, single file line up.
Okay.
Watch your step, guys. We do have a little bit of a line, so you are welcome to join the back of the line if you'd like to try to rejoin the trolley. We can hold 20, so we got a good chance. Next trolley 2 is only here in about 10 minutes, so.
Come on.
Thanks, friends.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Hi guys, I know you're a stranger to the trolley.
Yeah, why not? Might as well go back on.
I'm trying to get one of the theaters.
Guess whose birthday it is Tuesday? It's Indy's birthday.
Indy's birthday! Watch your step, friends. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Tuesday.
Yep. Are you working?
Yes. Luigi's.
Luigi's?
At Luigi's.
I'll come find you.
Okay. Maybe not. I'll have some ice cream for Vicky.
Come on, let's not do that to you. You're just over the last time.
So just so you know, last day, I'm hanging out the window the whole trip.
Yeah, I'm on top.
But I am gonna miss the interaction.
Yeah.
Especially with the characters.
With it. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Now in Spanish.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Now in Klingon. Just kidding. That's a steep learning curve. I have that kind of time. Friends, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Jeremy. I'll be your conductor. Down front, we have the talented, the amazing, the astonishing, the best dressed and funny Josh. Let's give it up for Josh, you guys. Thank you. He needs all his motivation, that way he doesn't derail the situation. Now as we move on to our next destination, we are going down the streets of Hollywood. Now before we go all the way through, we have our sister trolley 623 that's going to be stopping in Hollywood. That way we can safely pass them by, being that this is our bypass, being that we only have one track. So to play it safe, we'll wait for them to stop, that way we can go. Because you know, we're all about comfort, safety, and speed. Heavy on the safety, not so heavy on the comfort. You can already tell by sitting on these very brown and uncomfortable chairs. Not so heavy on the speed either, or walking speed of 4 miles per hour. Unfortunately, that's not how fast we're going. We're going about maybe 1 mile per hour, maybe even slower than that. Make sure we are sitting All right, now that 623 is stopped, we can carry on as we safely pass them by. Now, if you're trying to figure out what's the difference between 623 and 717, subtle differences like our color pattern from the inside and out, and also our number, and also the fact that we're better than them, being that we are 717. Spread the word. But the significance of that number, 717 and 623. 717 is part of the original.
What's a slow day across the road? Yeah, and earlier too was.
717 is a part of the original
717 copy.
date that Disneyland first opened, which was 7/17/1955. And 623 is a part of the original 600 series. And then the number 23 attached to that is a year that Walt Disney first came to California, which is in 1923. Our friends, we're crossing that threshold, leaving Hollywood and headed to Carthay Circle, which is the hub of California adventure. From here, you can walk to a marvelous place, Cars Land, Incredicoaster, San Francisco, soaring over the world, but above all else, Starbucks. You're leaving? I'll see you guys over there, man. Carthay Circle always puts me in the mood to sing a song. You guys are more than welcome to sing along. Don't be shy. Here we go. We are coming around the fountain. Here we come. We are coming around the fountain. Here we come. We are coming around the fountain. We are coming around the fountain. We are coming around the fountain. Here we come. It's okay. You guys will sing next time. Don't worry about it. But friends, moving along, up ahead, we have our mom and pop shop, coffee shop. You may have heard of it. It's called Starbucks. Around here, we call it Fiddler, Piper, and Practical Cafe. You may not recognize the names, but I bet you recognize the characters, because those are the names of the 3 little pigs: Fiddler, Piper, and Practical. And right next door, we have Clarabelle's Ice Cream, where their ice cream is utterly delicious. Now, friends, while this trolley is in motion, make sure we are sitting back all the way, with our feet down at all times, please. Make sure our children are sitting back all the way. Parents, make sure our children are sitting all the way back, please. Motors are going to move.
Copy that.
On the left-hand side, we have trolley treats, where they have classic candy for your enjoyment. No, I'm not biased because it has the word trolley in it, because I like candy that much. But if you're not into sweets, we do have healthy choices up ahead at Mortimer's Market. But they have bananas, apples, cuties, mandarin. No, I'm not talking about myself or the language. We're still just talking about fruit. My friends, we're now approaching our last stop in this direction. We ask that you please remain seated until this trolley comes to a full and complete stop. The indicator will it be safe to stand up and exit out, because when the lights are on and doors are open. Watch your step, you guys. Watch
We are tapping out.
Thank you very much.
It's time to rest.
Please go hold.
I'm over in
The beauty that is in.
Yeah. Poker face.
Just sit in.
Yeah, it's good seeing you.
Out.